Hey, this is Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our 2018 F-150. I'm going to show you some of the features we have on it. Starting up front, we've got our pre-runner front bumper. That includes the 2-inch pods on each side, 20-inch dual row black LED in the center. This allows you to retain your factory tow hooks and comes with an integrated skid plate as well as a front license plate frame. This really sets off a lifted vehicle, making the tow hooks the lowest point, so you really see how lifted it is. Coming around this way, we've got our ditch lights with another set of 2-inch pods so you can see where you're going without a problem. We've got our 6-inch Rough Country lift on this truck, which allows us to run a 35-12-50. This particular tire is the Ironman All Country MT, and they are wrapped around a fuel Triton in a platinum that looks great with this metallic blue. And topping it off is our Rough Country roof rack. It's a 12-gauge steel, powder coated with stainless hardware, can hold up to 250 pounds and make sure that you still have room after you've filled the cab and the bed to take anything you may need along with you. It also has the option of the 40-inch single row light bars. We've got one front and rear controlled by our MLC6. That way, once you get to the campground, you can definitely see exactly where you're headed to. Off-road use only. So we think all the accessories on this F-150 really set it off. It's a different look you don't see every day, but it's a really good look. The front pre-runner bumper accentuates the height. The other lighting accessories are a really hot trend and look great. Topping it off with that roof rack really sets it off. The platinum wheels, not something you see every day. They're not polished, they're not black. The platinum really sets the metallic blue off. We really think this combination with the 6-inch lift has set this F-150 off. But what do you think? As a matter of fact, what's your favorite? Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Honda Ridgeline? Let us know in the comments.